Hey, what's going on? Matt Plapp, one of the ROI experts at Driven Media Solutions, back with a car confession. It's a new name I'm calling this. So this is a marketing tip that I'm giving you from my car. And just pulled in, waiting on my next meeting, and was talking to a guy about an hour ago. And we were talking about marketing and today's opportunities versus 10 years ago, 15 years ago, when the internet wasn't huge, email, texting, social media didn't exist. And I think that's one thing that's really undervalued. Businesses don't grow their list big enough. I've got a book I'm working on called Create Your Own Radio Station. And the way that came about was that I think you as small business owners, as sales professionals, you have the ability with social media, email, texting, LinkedIn, Facebook, you name it, YouTube, you have the ability to create your own audience that other means that you didn't have 20 years ago. So what I'm saying is you've got to gather data, because if you're constantly spending money to reach people, you're going to lose. I want you to think about it this way. Let's say you run a promotion with a radio station and you spend $5,000 with them. It works really well, and you want to do it again. And you want to get those people back again, but all you did was run radio ads. Well, now all of a sudden, you're dependent on that radio station. So next month, you got to go back, give them $5,000 more, and do the same promotion. Now, let's say that you don't do that. Let's say that you do a promotion with the radio station on their website, email, social. You drive them somewhere. You get them to opt in to get some amazing offer or white paper or free consultation or a free fitness assessment, whatever industry you're in. And now all of a sudden you've gathered information. So you're using the Facebook tracking pixel, and you've driven all those people to a place that you can now retarget them in the future. So now all of a sudden you have success with it. You gain a couple hundred to a couple thousand people. There's Casey watching me live, pulling up. And now all of a sudden you've gained an audience, and you're able to go back to the well on your own dime. So you don't got to write the check to a radio station next month for $5,000. You've already gathered their information. So when you set out to do something in your marketing, one of the biggest things you need to do, number one, when you think about doing a marketing initiative, I want you to think about what can you do with that marketing initiative to build your database so that you don't got to go back to the well, whether that's a radio or TV or newspaper or whatever you're buying it from, because you're getting distribution somehow. And then number two, figure out how you're adding them to your database so that you can use that database to your advantage in the future on your own dime and not theirs. Hey, see you later. That's all I got. I'll talk to you later.